3 types of lead magnets that work in 2022. We all know that lead magnets are vital to any business. We understand the benefits of them. We know what they are. If you don't, you're going to need to do that research. But what lead magnets actually work? Do these ebooks work now that people are doing? Does a simple discount work? What is actually going to get you traction in 2022 and help you grow your audience? I've got 3 different types of lead magnets that I have seen already in 2022 and making a huge impact and having great success. Let's have a look. Number 1, my favorite, mini courses. These are booming. And by mini course, I do not mean we want to see you on camera for a full hour doing a masterclass. I'm a business owner. I do not have a spare hour to listen to somebody else tell me something they could have told me in 10 minutes. So this is what I mean by a mini course. Split down whatever it is you want to teach somebody, whatever you want to show someone into bite-sized videos. Make it a course that might be half an hour in total max. And these are what work the best. Mini courses. Number 2, guides. They are still working. Guides, they will always have a place in the lead magnet world. A guide on how to do X, Y, Z, such as I could create a guide on how to create a lead magnet. And in that guide, I could go through step by step the little things that you need to do. And then, of course, lead it on to my upsell later on for if they want me to create their lead magnet for them. Guides do work. You want to make sure that you do have one, even if it's not going to be your main lead magnet, because some people just prefer guides. They don't want to watch a video. They don't want to attend a live session. They don't want to get something such as like lots of templates. They just want to read something and learn. So guides are really great. They're still doing well. They've done well ever since lead magnets got big. So 100% guides for 2022. Number 3, toolkits. Toolkits are working amazingly. But with a toolkit, please don't think that you can just put a few little things in and call it a toolkit. That's going to be absolutely amazing. When you think of a toolkit, you need to think of something you would happily charge for. Think of something that is, you would say, you know what, this is actually worth hundreds of pounds and I'm giving it to you for free, or I'm giving you it for a low amount of offer. You want to get one of them in your business, a toolkit. And you may sit there thinking, yeah, but I ain't got like templates, so I can't give loads of Canva templates away. It's not just templates. It could be a toolkit on how to deal with stress. It could be a toolkit of everything you need to create a lead magnet. There's so many things that you can do for your business. If you're a PT, you could create a toolkit on how to lose weight, and it could have videos in there, mini little videos. It might have like a recipe guide. It's going to have more than one lead magnet within that toolkit, and they work amazingly. Let's have a recap. 3 types of lead magnets that work in 2022. Number 1, mini courses, my all-time favorite. Number 2, guides. They still have their place. Number 3, toolkits. And we mean an ultimate toolkit, not just a tiny little thing with a little few things thrown in there. Get looking at your resources and get a toolkit out there. You need to have a lead magnet in your business. If you don't have one, you are going to get stuck behind the crowd. Remember, you do not own the data that is on social media, but you do own your email list. If you want an email list, you need a lead magnet. Otherwise, how else are you going to get them emails? If you found this video useful, I would love you to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have lots more content like this. We also have lots of how-to videos showing you how to do things such as using Calendly, how to use Google Spreadsheets, Zapier, all of that stuff that you will be using in your business. So hit the bell, subscribe, give us that almighty thumbs up if you are enjoying yourself watching this video. And most importantly, leave me a comment and let me know, what is your next lead magnet going to be? Take care, everybody.